Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete all comments in Excel at once. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open a workbook in Excel and here we can see that I have a few comments. I could now delete them individually, but I will show you a trick with which you can do this all at once. To do this we go to File at the top left, go to Info, and here we click on Check for Issues and Inspect Document. Here I am asked if I want to save the file before, so I click on Yes. And here in the Document Inspector, I can set various points for which the document should be checked. For us, only the first point is important. We make sure that the checkbox for comments is ticked and click on Inspect. Excel will now tell us that comments have been found and offers us the option of deleting them all at the same time by clicking on this button. If we click on it, the comments are removed. We go back to our workbook and see that this has worked very well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!